Image alt text is one of the quick wins you can make to improve your SEO rankings, and I'm going to show you how to write the image alt text in a few seconds and where to inject it inside of an image on your website. Okay, so the first thing, you want to go to the GPT that I have below, and then once you're in the GPT, select it to an instant thinking model, so go instant on a GPT-5. Once you've done that, you'll want to upload the images that you need alt text for. So let's say that we drag these 4 images in. So these all belong to a landing page where I have these images, but I'm missing the alt text. And it's all for a particular keyword that I have in mind. So the focus keywords for this page, I'm thinking that it would be like hotel in Sumbawa, and another keyword is accommodation Sumbawa, and things like that, right? And I might give it that semantic context so that it understands what I'm trying to go for. I might correct the keyword so it's accurate, so it's spelled this way. And all you're doing is basically telling it the keywords that you're trying to go for that particular page. It will then write you fresh and original alt text that you can actually inject into each of these images. So as you can see, the first one is like cozy bamboo inspired bedroom with soft lighting, natural tones at a peaceful hotel in Sumbawa, sunlit bedroom, blah blah blah. So it's helpful for robots to actually crawl through and read this text so it understands the context, but it also helps the blind and visually impaired. Okay, so what you can do with this is simply go into like a WordPress website, or if you've got Wix or something else, or even Shopify, you can simply go into wherever your media library is and then click on any image, whatever the image is, like if you've already uploaded it, and then go find the alternative text or wherever that is. Sometimes it's called SEO image alt text or something like that, and you paste whatever ChatGPT gives you for each respective image. So it's super easy and only takes a couple of minutes. I hope that helps, and if you've got any questions, leave them below. More than happy to answer. See you in the next video. Thanks.